Hello everyone, have a nice day. Welcome to my DY Top 1 channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sharpen fast and efficient knife. It's a simple trick that anyone can do, right at home. Let's get started. Take time to understand each step. If you have trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. What country are you from? Leave me a comment. It's amazing when I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click the sign up button. I'm glad to see your support. Now, let's prepare a double-sided tape. Stick to the drill like in the video. Now, let's prepare the sandpaper. Sandpaper cutting. This sandpaper, stick it in. This drill will help us grinding much faster. Now stick that sandpaper in double-sided tape. Cut out the excess. Prepare to add a small battery. We will also wrap two-sided adhesive tape to the bottom of that battery. Get more P800 sandpaper. You're going to cut so little. Stick to the battery part of it. Then let's fix that battery in the drill bit. Let's start grinding. Give some water. This helps to reduce friction and protect the blade. Set the blade inclined about 15 to 20 degrees. This is your ideal angle for maximum sharpness. Gently pull the blade on the grinding surface. Move from the base to the tip of the knife. Repeat this operation several times. Then you turn the other side of the blade. Continue grinding with the same technique. Always keep the grinding angle stable. Should not use too strong force. Now, we're going to grind to P800 sandpaper. Have you ever tried this method? Leave a comment below. Observe the blade. Now, use some toothpaste. Use a little more baking soda. A little water. Mix it up. And rub it all over the surface of the blade. Now, or clean water. Use a paper towel to clean it. It's simple and effective, right? Thank you for watching all the videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the interesting tips. Share the video to your friends. I wish you success and see you later.